Le, nanlan nga magkuan ka karon di mo man nimo nanlan nga kadlong ka pag eskwela nimo nga nakabot kag 18 ron. Nanlan kadlong ka sa mga eskwela o di ka mo pasigig pasaway si mohang mama. Formal lang pagkuan lang pagkadlong lang kay para kakuha ka kurso niya para imong inahan nito po daugtas po ninyo kuan lang mo magkadlong mo. Di, namaur na ako ang mensahe ni mo, happy birthday. I love you.
First of all, thank you for being a good best friend to me since grade 7. Thank you for being there when I need you. May God bless you today on your birthday and every day after. May you be comforted by His presence in your life. May you receive the greatest of joys, a beautiful candle for a beautiful lady.
Today is my 18th birthday. I thank God for giving me in my everyday life. Without our God's protection, I won't be able to celebrate this birthday with my loved ones.
I wish you well and good things in life, especially when you're on a new journey. Please don't forget God every step of the way. Happy legality when I leave. And on your special day, may all your wishes and dreams come true. And may your parents be proud of you. Happy 18th birthday, Lay.
Ma, thank you for your love, sacrifices, and support. Thank you for being the best mom in the world. My only wish for this birthday is to witness the happiness in everyone's face, because all of us deserves to be happy, not just in our birthdays or any holidays or occasions. I wish everyone to smile and be happy in our daily basis. Live your life to the fullest and keep those smiles on your faces. God bless us.